Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Row Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new mini tripod. I just want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's actually check it out. So it's more cool, like if you have like a DJI Pocket 3 or a GoPro. We have both, so we've been needing a tripod. Let's check it out. It's cool. Let's open it up. It's actually going to be very useful. So it also comes with this accessory right here. And then this one right here as well. So we'll start off with the GoPro. So it should be fairly simple to hook up. Just line this up right here. Just make sure it's strong enough to at least hold it. Turn it all the way, and bam, there we go. Now we can use this for, vlogging or anything like that, because sometimes some of the bigger ones don't get as small as this, and this can come in handy. So now let's go ahead and actually test out the DJI now. So we'll unscrew this. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this piece right here. We'll screw this part in. Just like that. And then the other cool part is if you don't want it to stay this small, right, this does extend. Let me tighten this up again. All right, so that's the max right there. So now we could put either our DJI up here, so now we could put the DJI up there and then adjust it where you feel it should be. So again, it doesn't have to be on that super small one. It does extend quite a bit as well. So super cool. Nice and sturdy on this stand right here. It's a pretty cool mini tripod. Like I said, basic, simple usage. Able to take it off. Like I said, it does both cameras. Oh. And then once you're done, literally just push it up, just like that, and it's good to go. So super useful, guys. Very easy to use. So if you guys are looking for a new tripod for your GoPro, DJI Pocket 3, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.